How's everybody doing here? This is George at Wicked Warnings here with the Vanderhall crew. We got this Vanderhall we were just finishing up right now, and as you can see in the front there, we've integrated some white DRL lights with the turn signal. You can see here on the left how the amber turn signal on the right side there is going to override that white DRL. The white DRL is hooked into the headlights, so it comes on whenever the headlights are on. You got around the back here, we've got the lower red LEDs. Those are brake signal lights. You can see they come on with the brake, and then they'll also come on with the left signal or the right signal. That's a TIR3 from our stock there in red, and we were able to wire it in there so this brake signal on the back give you a little bit better warning on this particular Vanderhall. So if you like this, give us a holler. We'll tell you how we did it. Thanks for watching.